Hello guys, welcome back to Annie's Sweet Home Treats. Today I'm showing you how to make a quick and delicious breakfast: toasted bread and egg with sausage. It's soft inside, crispy outside, and perfect for your morning. Let's get started. These are all the ingredients we'll be using, guys. Please watch to the end, like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to watch to the end, guys. Let's get cooking. Thank you. Stay tuned and enjoy this recipe.